This is my Apple IIGS RGB monitor that has developed an arcing sound. I've treated the high voltage line with Dow Corning 738, and that made a huge difference. But this is day 4 of this curing, and I've gone to turn it on, and it's actually amazing. I can still draw an arc from the very silicon bit here, so I'll see if I can zoom in on this without it cropping. Here we go. So, look at that. You see where the breakdown is? There's a break in the silicon somewhere. So, that's width, by the way. Expensive silicon dielectric grease all around that. But I think here is where it's getting dry. Look at that. The monitor still works. And the good news about this is that it's not the flyback. Okay, but we're getting up to kilovolts here. Look at that. It's almost entirely leaking through. So if you're getting a bit of a snap and a crackle from your IIGS monitor, you hear that? Consider that there might be some breakdown of the anode cup.